Hello, second graders. Today we're going to learn about homographs. And so our learning target is I can identify and explain the meaning of homographs. Let's learn what those are. Homographs and homophones are similar. Today we're going to be focusing on homographs. Homographs are spelled the same but have different meanings and sometimes pronunciations. So here's an example of a homograph, bat and bat. You can see they're spelled the same, B-A-T, B-A-T, but they mean different things. One's an animal, and one is a piece of sports equipment that you use for baseball. Another example is tear and tear. Look at the spelling. It's spelled the same, isn't it? But a tear is something very different from a tear in a piece of paper. So just to remind you what a homophone is, they are words that sound the same, but they have different meanings and different spellings. So they're not spelled the same like homographs are. Here's an example of a homophone, pair and pair. They sound exactly the same, but they mean different things and they're spelled differently. You have a pair of socks or a pear like the fruit. And then one more example is sea and sea. Here's the sea like the ocean, S-E-A, but then S-E-E you can see with your eyes. So those are homophones. But today we're going to focus on homographs. So let's take a look at some different homographs. Here's one, right and right. Like, I am sure I am right. Or, take a right turn at the intersection. See how they're spelled the same, but they mean different things? Here's another example, watch and watch. I like to watch TV. Or, I wore my watch on my wrist. Here's another one, letter and letter. There's a letter for you in the mail. Or B is the second letter of the alphabet. Here's another homograph, fall and fall. The area is beautiful in the fall, like the season. Or the rain was falling steadily. Something is falling down. So those are two different meanings of the word fall. Here's another one, fly and fly. A fly was buzzing against my window, or let's fly a kite. So two different meanings for the word fly. Those are homographs. So it's important to remember, homographs are spelled the same, but the words mean different things. It's really important to learn the different homographs so that you understand what you are reading.